Welcome! In this video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to copy a highlight link on Instagram using your PC. With the latest updates, this process has become even simpler, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. Make sure you log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to the profile that contains the highlight you want to copy. You can do this by searching for the username in the search bar at the top of the page. Now that you're on the profile page, look just under their bio. Here, you'll find the highlights displayed prominently. Click on the highlight that interests you. This will open up the story associated with that highlight. Once the story is open, take a moment to locate the link in the address bar at the top of your browser. This is where you will find the URL for that specific highlight. To copy it, simply right-click anywhere in the address bar. A menu will pop up. From there, choose Copy. That's it, you've successfully copied the highlight link. You can now share this link with friends or use it in your messages or posts. Just paste it wherever you need it by right-clicking and selecting Paste. This new method makes sharing Instagram highlights easier than ever before. Whether you're promoting your brand or just sharing fun moments with friends, having quick access to highlight links can be a game changer. Remember, if you have any questions about this process or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Thanks for watching and happy Instagramming.